Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Close.io for call logs and deal stages. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To log into Close.io, first, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL, Close.io and press enter. Once the Close.io homepage loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, type your password into the second field. If you wish to stay logged in on this device, check the box that says Remember Me. Once all fields are filled out, click on the login button below. After a moment, you will be redirected to your Close.io dashboard. On the dashboard, locate the menu on the left side of the screen. For call logs, click on the Calls option in the menu. To view deal stages, navigate to the Deals section from the same menu. You can now access and manage your call logs and deal stages. Explore the features to optimize your use of Close.io. If you need to log out, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Log Out from the drop-down menu. That's all for logging into Close.io for call logs and deal stages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.